Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at crypto.com, and crypto.com DeFi wallet is broken. Yes, you heard it. You heard it here first. It says you cannot connect crypto.com DeFi wallet to crypto.com app at this time. The issue will be fixed soon. Hopefully, in parentheses, or in air quotes. Well, we'll see. Hopefully it will be fixed soon. But right now, broke. So, Crow, almost at 50 cents. We're getting there. We were right there. Look at that, 50 cents, and then bam, precipitous drop right off of that high. That's unfortunate. It's kind of following the same as Bitcoin, right? It got up to 48, right? It was trying to hang on, and boom, sunk back down. So 48 was the ceiling. I predicted it was going to be 50, but I guess 48. We got to get some momentum, crack that ceiling at 48, and then we'll just blow straight through. So hopefully that's going to be soon. Now what I'm going to look at is we're going over to the DeFi app. Now you guys know that I was in the optimizer the other day, and I saw a lot of good interest rates, anywhere from 50% to 4,000%. So yeah, first thing you got to do is come in here, connect your wallet. Let's hope this works. I know, well, the DeFi wallet won't connect to the main crypto.com app, but it looks like these are working appropriately, so that's good. Here you can see, okay, there it goes, updated. My staked MMF Crow. If you want interested in that, go watch my other video I just posted the other day. And today we're looking at single MMO because it's 864% APY. Pretty good APY. I'm going to get into this right now. I'm going to enable. It's going to cost like half a crow, probably 0.244 crow. Okay, fine. Let's get this enabled. Open up the mine. What do they call it here? I guess it's not a mine here. Not even sure what this is called. You guys know what this is, let me know in the comments below. Mine, liquidity pool, whatever. It's a good deal. So what we need to do is, once this is enabled, we need to translate some of the crow that I moved over the Kronos bridge into the staking of MMO, and we will profit in W Crow. So we'll see. It says there are only estimates. You can see the APR. APY may not reflect, blah blah blah. You guys can read it. It's actually only 200%, but you got to leave it in there, and hopefully it'll work itself out. So first thing we need to do is go back and get some MMO. So how do we do that? We go over, and let's go to swap. I want to go from Crow, and we want to go into MMO right there. And we want to go 25%. Actually, we're not going to be doing that. I don't like the way it selects. So here we go. I'm just going to do 50. Alright. And you can see I'm going to get MMO. See 22 crow per MMO. I'm going to say swap. And there is a fee. Confirm the swap. Great. And yet another network fee. Getting nickel and dimed here on swapping crypto around. Getting a little tired of this, but that's the way it is. So now what we need to do is we want to go back to the MMO Meerkat Optimizer app, and we got to reconnect the wallet here. All right, it's connected. Now we can go down here, and it's still not enabled. Okay, I can say stake. No. Why can't I stake? There we go. Hit the max button, and it pretty much zeroes it out. And I say stake, and it should come up with another fee. Oh, another 1.3 crow. Wow. Okay, so it's costing me a few bucks to get this thing up and running, and I'm only putting 25 bucks in, thereabouts. So I'm going to leave this in here for about a year, and at 800% interest, I put $25 in, and you have 800% interest. How much do you get at the other end? Let me know in the comments below if you did that calculation. Put it there now, and I'll reveal the real number at the end of the video. Alright, so you can see we have that stake value of MMO, and we'll see how that does over time, so be sure to subscribe for more updates. Alright, so back to the main page. Here we are. We can see the total staked. We can see I have 2 liquidity pool and a single mine, whatever you want to call this, farm, staked. Now, what's next? I'll be doing another video in a couple days, and I'm not sure what I want to do yet. If I want to do MMF and a stable coin, because that sounds it would be more stable potentially, or do I want to go for the gusto here and get 16,000% interest? Wow, I almost want to do that right now. So be sure you guys subscribe, and you too can see how to do this and set it up in MMO Meerkat Optimizer, or MMF. We'll see. And use the DeFi tokens to create passive income, and it'll be good. Alright, what do you guys think? I think it's a good deal. So, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.